Hi guys, this is Jolt. In today's video we are going to check out the W5 from Lidl. It's called the Car Wash Waterproof Quick Cleaner for Slightly Soiled Lacquer. I'm not entirely sure where to put this product because it's not a shampoo. It's not necessarily a quick detailer. However, I would say maybe it is closest to a quick detailer. But it says first I need to wash the car to make sure that there is no dirt which would scratch during the usage of this product, which almost defies then the purpose unless it's a quick detailer. So if they meant it as a quick detailer, then sure, that's how I would do. But what I don't really understand, if I have to get rid of most of the dirt, or all the dirt that could scratch, then I need to use a pressure washer. If I use just the hose pipe or a garden hose, then it's not going to remove all. So I need a pressure washer. Once I started to use a pressure washer, why would I not then just have a couple of mitts and a bucket of water with shampoo and then wash it properly, and then I wouldn't need all this? Because this one, I need to rinse off the car, then I apply this product in a thin layer, I wipe it off, and then I buff it off. So then it would be much easier with a bucket of shampoo. But whatever, I'm going to try this one. Why not? So let's kick it. Some of you asked about the Chemical Guys Hydro Charge in some comments in a couple of the videos before. Now I can tell you that at the moment it's the end of September when this video is recorded. I applied it sometime at the end of March, so something like 6-ish months it was on, and I can see that it's dying, so it's not really doing anymore what it's supposed to. Still there is a bit of water beading and a little bit of water sheeting, but it's not as good as it used to be. So it's definitely not going to last a year. It was like half a year or so. Yeah, also the instructions say nothing about if I have to use it on dry or wet surface. No, it doesn't say. So just in case, I use it on wet surface just to give a bit more lubrication. I don't know. Anyway, let's do it. Okay, well, more or less it cleaned the car. Wherever it's not entirely clean is most likely because of me. Should have wiped maybe better. But anyway, as I said, more or less it's clean, or it looks clean at least. And yeah, it has like a chewing gum or bubble gum scent, which is not really my favorite. But it's okay, that's only one opinion. If you like the chewing gum or bubble gum scent, then it's okay. Now let's splash a bit of water around just to see how is it. Well, it repels the water to a certain level, so it's okay. Okay, I'm hiding in the garage again, just in case, to avoid some noise. Yeah, so this was the Lidl W5 car wash. I would say I used half or maybe a little bit. Well, now let's call it half because it's wider on the bottom. So I used half on this car. I kind of used it generously, but I didn't go crazy. My opinion is the following. It gives good lubrication. It cleans the surface. It has a chewing gum or bubblegum scent, which I don't like, but if it's for you, then heck yeah, why not? It gives water repellency. So I would say, as a quick detailer or a really not dirty car, or let's say a waterless wash, if it's not a very dirty car, I can imagine, why not? If the car is very dirty and you need to wash it off, even then it's okay if you want to have some water repellency, but I suppose it's not very long lasting. But whatever it is, it's still okay. But yeah, but basically that's it. So, I don't want to say anything bad about this product. It does what it promises. It cleans the surface nicely. It gives a bit of water repellency. That's also one way to clean the car. There are multiple ways. This is one of it. So would I recommend it? If this is something you like, this method, then sure, why not? Personally, I prefer using the pressure washer, rinse it off, use some foam cannon because I like a bit of foam party, use a bucket, my wash mitts, lots of soap, again some foam party, rinse it off, dry. But this one, why not? I could imagine, let's say, if I go on a holiday at the summertime and the car is only dusty, I could imagine to take this one and the pile of towels with me and then just clean the car on the go. So anyway, that's it. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.